Hello students, myself Gyanendra Kumar Verma from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Balia, your IP teacher. Today I am going to discuss the topic operations on relations. As you all know, the SQL is going on and the last topic related to this SQL database is operations on relations. Relation, you know as well, the relation is the combination of rows and columns. Data related to a particular entity is kept under a table. There are various operations that are covered in your syllabus that will be done or performed on two tables only. Actually, these operations can be performed on two or more tables, but here in your syllabus, two table operations are only done. These are also known as algebraic operations or relational algebra. As in mathematics, algebra, there is operation. There are several operations like plus, minus, divide, multiply. They are executed on the variables. Here, the variables will be in the form of table. There are various operations. First of all, we will discuss union. The various operations are union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product, and or cross join, and last topic is join. Here you can see it. 5 types of operations are there in your syllabus. Now first of all we will discuss about union operation. As the name suggests, union means the merger of rows of two tables. Merging of rows. While performing the union operation, one has to keep in mind that the number of columns of first table must be equal to the number of columns of second table. Here we can suppose first table as song related to any school. The candidates or students participating in annual function song program, and the other table is drama. You can see clearly here. While performing union, you can see here there are 3 total attributes: admission number, name and age in both the tables. Here the attributes are same: admission number, name and age. After performing the union operation of these two tables, we will get a resultant table. Resultant table is obtained. Here you can see. In this resultant table, there are all the rows that are covered from first table and second table. First table is song and the second table is drama. The common rows you can see here clearly. The common rows are the student name B and student name D. Here these rows are repeated. So you can see here in the resultant table that the repeated rows are written only once. Make it clear, people. It should be very clear that the repeated rows are only written once. Understood? Now, now we can see A, B, C, D. These rows are in the song table. and in drama table E, B, F, D. Here we can see B and D are repeated and E and F are new in drama table. So here it is written A, B, C, D, E, F. B and D are not written twice. The repeated rows are written only once. Make it very clear. Understood? For performing the union operation, the attributes of both the tables must be same. It is not very hard and fast, but at least one column must be same and the number of columns of first table must be equal to the number of columns of the second table. Understood? Now we will go to other operation, second operation, that is intersection operation. One thing more before starting intersection operation, you can also draw the Venn diagram. There are two circles A and B. Here you can see A union B will cover whole circle and also the common part between A and B. A will be referring to a table song and B will be referring to the table drama. Here you can see clearly Venn diagram, the diagrammatic representation of the relational algebra. Second is intersection. Intersection means only the common attributes of both the tables will be taken here. Here you can see B and D are common in both the tables, and similarly the Venn diagram is made. You can see clearly the common part A intersection B is taken. Third is minus operation. Minus means we can suppose the same table songs and drama. When we will perform song minus drama, then it should be very clear to you then that the rows that are only in song are extracted and written as result, and the rows which are common to both A and B or song or drama, those are rejected. It means if we will draw the Venn diagram, you can see clearly A minus B, then it represents only A. The common part is rejected. Here you can see the common part. Common part is not covered. Okay? Is it clear? I think that it will be understood. I will be sending to you these notes which are made by me in the form of photo. So you need not to worry about that. You should make a note in your note copy as well. That will be checked when school reopens. Okay? Students, is it clear to everybody? Today we have covered 3 operations: union, intersection and minus operation. Minus operation is clear or not? Similarly, drama minus song can also be performed. Drama minus song can also be performed. In drama minus song, you can see the Venn diagram is B minus A or only B. Only B means the rows which are covered only in B and not in A. Understood? So we can see here, we can go to the previous slide. We can see here the 2 rows which are only in drama are E and F. E and F. So 1111 E17 or 0011 F16 will be the result of the table of the minus operation, B minus A or drama minus song. So students, I think that it will be clear. These topics are clear. They are very easy topic, not so difficult. And one important thing is that there is no query related to this covered in your syllabus, but I will be telling in the next slide about query also. Union, intersection, minus and Cartesian product or cross join, these four operations are not required to be written in the form of query. Only they are relational operation. The fifth topic is join. That is some detailed topic, and it will be involving query also. So students, is it clear? So please make a note of it, and if any confusion, you can call me or contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you.